Hi, I'm Susan Solovic, the small business expert, and here's your daily tip. Enhance your business success after hours. Now, you may have wondered why some people seem to get ahead, get all of those opportunities while you're just struggling away, burning the midnight oil. Well, it could be what they're doing after work that's getting them ahead. That's right, I'm serious. What you do after work could be just as important to your business success as what you do during the workday. I know many of you believe that if you produce a good product or you provide a good service, that the quality of your work should speak for itself. Oh, if this were only an ideal world, it doesn't work that way. However, if you get out of your office and you meet new people, you can significantly enhance your business opportunities. First, it helps you build relationships, and I have previously blogged about the importance of relationships in business. Relationships really drive business success because it's not what you know, it's who you know. People do business with people they trust and they know. They do business with their friends, so relationships are important. Secondly, getting out of the office improves your creative thinking skills by broadening your horizons. By trying new things, you get new perspectives. And finally, it allows people to see you from a fresh perspective. It's really easy to get pigeonholed in business, yet you know, and I know, you have lots of talents. So when people see you in a different environment, they learn more about you and what you bring to the table. So instead of burning the midnight oil tonight, why not get off your duff and head out to the gym? You never know where your next customer or client is going to come from. So that's your daily tip for today. I'm Susan Solovic, the small business expert. Join me on my website for more, susansolovic.com.